Hello, thanks for joining us. If you're currently searching for portable lighting solutions, you may have come across LED floodlights like these. Here at HSS, we stock single and twin floodlights to help businesses and keen DIYers illuminate large working environments. These models emit a cool white light at 6500 Kelvin and reduce the appearance of shadows for more precise operating at night. The single floodlight weighs around 7 kilograms and the double weighs around 10 kilograms, both powered by a 110 volt supply. However, if you're using a transformer, ensure the total load is less than 75% of the transformer's power rating. To get started using our LED floodlights, you must first position the mast somewhere that won't fall over and doesn't dazzle drivers. Where possible, also splay out and level the tripod legs for extra security. The mast height ranges from 1.7 to 2.4 metres. So once you've uncoiled the lights flex and moved the masthead in the right direction, you'll need to fix the height by adjusting the thumb screws. Also, ensure any excess leads sit close to the power supply and away from the work area to avoid any accidents. If you need to alter the floodlight at all, ensure it's turned off at the power beforehand. Likewise, wait for the product to cool down before packing it away to avoid any heat damage. For more information about our LED floodlights, head over to hss.com.